Welcome to Bite-Sized Future, your go-to spot for the latest in AI, tech, and innovation. In every episode, we break down the future of everyday life into bite-sized insights you can actually use. Let's dive in and explore what's next. When it comes to AI tools for meal planning and grocery management, MealFlow AI serves as a powerful starting point for households in Los Angeles who want a comprehensive, all-in-one solution. Its core functionality revolves around automatically generating grocery lists from selected recipes, which eliminates much of the tedious planning and organization involved in weekly meal preparation. The platform's drag-and-drop interface allows users to customize menus, adjust ingredients, and organize meals for an entire week with minimal effort. Beyond simply creating lists, MealFlow AI adapts to dietary preferences, allergies, and budget constraints, ensuring that each meal plan is tailored to the household's unique needs. By considering local ingredient availability and seasonal produce, it guarantees that recipes are practical and realistic for the Los Angeles area. Furthermore, its automation reduces food waste by providing precise quantities and suggestions for ingredient substitutions. Overall, MealFlow AI combines convenience, intelligence, and adaptability to streamline meal planning and grocery shopping from start to finish, making it an ideal base for anyone seeking a smarter way to manage their kitchen. Building on the efficiency of MealFlow AI, HyperWrite Grocery List Writer offers a specialized approach to turning meal ideas into structured, actionable grocery lists. This tool excels at converting casual meal notes or user input into organized, detailed shopping lists, allowing users to save time and reduce errors when planning their groceries. Its simplicity and accessibility via web or mobile interfaces make it a practical choice for busy households in Los Angeles, where juggling work, family, and errands can make meal prep a challenge. While HyperWrite does not provide direct delivery, it pairs seamlessly with grocery fulfillment services such as Instacart or Amazon Fresh, allowing the AI-generated list to be directly transformed into orders. Its natural language processing capabilities ensure that even loosely written notes become comprehensive, clear lists that account for quantities and categories. For households that value structure and efficiency, HyperWrite acts as a bridge between creative meal planning and practical shopping, ensuring that nothing essential is overlooked during grocery runs. Complementing the list-focused tools, YummAI takes a more creative and exploratory approach by focusing on recipe discovery and meal diversity. Its AI can interpret recipes from websites, social media, or user input, converting them into structured cooking instructions while simultaneously generating grocery lists for each dish. This is particularly useful for Los Angeles residents, where access to diverse cuisines and fresh ingredients makes culinary experimentation both appealing and feasible. YummAI also offers flexibility in adapting recipes based on local availability, dietary restrictions, and household size, which ensures that meal ideas are both practical and personalized. By reducing the manual effort required to plan meals and prepare ingredients, YummAI helps users expand their culinary repertoire while maintaining organization and efficiency in grocery shopping. The platform encourages creativity in cooking without sacrificing convenience, making it a valuable complement to more structured tools like MealFlow AI and HyperWrite. In a similar vein, MenuMixer provides a robust system for intelligent meal planning and organized grocery management, with a particular emphasis on adaptability to household needs. MenuMixer can generate meal suggestions and corresponding grocery lists that automatically adjust according to household size, ingredient availability, and dietary preferences. Its user-friendly interface allows for quick modifications, letting users swap meals, adjust quantities, or reorder recipes while maintaining a structured weekly plan. This capability is particularly useful in Los Angeles, where household sizes and dietary requirements vary widely, and where ingredient availability can fluctuate across different neighborhoods and grocery stores. By combining AI-driven recommendations with practical list organization, MenuMixer streamlines both meal planning and shopping, reducing the stress and time associated with preparing a week's worth of meals. Its integration of customization and automation positions it as a tool that can easily complement both creative recipe discovery and efficiency-focused grocery management. RushLyst takes efficiency a step further by directly optimizing grocery shopping alongside meal planning. The AI generates lists based on recipe inputs and considers store layout, ensuring that shopping trips are faster and more organized. This is particularly beneficial in a busy metropolitan area like Los Angeles, where large grocery stores and crowded aisles can make shopping trips time-consuming and stressful. RushLyst also offers personalized suggestions based on past purchases and dietary preferences, ensuring that the shopping experience is tailored to individual households. Its combination of time-saving organization, AI recommendations, and user-friendly features makes it a practical choice for families and individuals who want to streamline their cooking and shopping routines. By reducing both planning time and physical effort during grocery trips, RushLyst seamlessly connects meal preparation with in-store efficiency, bridging the gap between thoughtful meal planning and practical shopping execution. Focusing more on health and dietary goals, SmartChef provides a solution for those seeking nutrition-conscious meal planning. Its AI allows users to create meals that align with specific calorie targets, macronutrient goals, and dietary restrictions, ensuring that each meal contributes to overall wellness and fitness objectives. In addition to meal planning, SmartChef generates grocery lists based on selected meals, facilitating a seamless transition from planning to purchasing ingredients. For Los Angeles residents who have access to high-quality fresh produce and diverse grocery stores, SmartChef leverages local availability to create practical, health-focused meal plans. By integrating nutritional guidance, meal planning, and list generation, SmartChef allows users to maintain consistent healthy eating habits without the stress of manual calculations or disorganized shopping, bridging the gap between wellness goals and real-world execution. For households aiming to reduce food waste and maximize pantry efficiency, Forkcast offers advanced inventory management and meal suggestion capabilities. The AI monitors pantry and fridge contents, tracks expiration dates, and suggests recipes that use existing ingredients, thereby minimizing waste and unnecessary purchases. Forkcast is particularly valuable for Los Angeles residents with busy lifestyles, as it ensures that food is used efficiently while keeping grocery trips purposeful and organized. Its machine learning algorithms adapt to consumption patterns over time, providing increasingly relevant recipe and shopping suggestions. By connecting inventory tracking, meal planning, and grocery management, Forkcast streamlines kitchen operations and empowers households to save time, reduce waste, and maintain a more sustainable and organized approach to food management. Similarly, PantryAI emphasizes automation and convenience in managing kitchen inventory. Users can photograph their pantry, fridge, or grocery receipts, and the AI generates recipes and grocery lists based on the items available. This reduces the manual effort involved in keeping track of ingredients and helps ensure that households use what they have efficiently. PantryAI also adapts its recommendations to dietary preferences, family size, and consumption habits, making it highly personalized and practical for households in Los Angeles. The platform's ability to automate both meal planning and list creation connects directly with the needs of busy households, allowing users to maintain organized kitchens while reducing food waste and ensuring that grocery trips are more focused and effective. FitChef targets individuals and families who prioritize health and nutrition in their meal planning. Its AI allows users to create meal plans that align with fitness objectives, dietary restrictions, and caloric goals, providing both guidance and flexibility. FitChef generates grocery lists from the selected meals, making it easy to translate nutritional plans into practical shopping experiences. By considering local ingredient availability and accessibility, FitChef ensures that health-conscious residents in Los Angeles can implement their diet plans effectively. The combination of personalized meal planning, grocery organization, and nutritional guidance makes FitChef a valuable tool for those committed to maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle without sacrificing convenience or efficiency. Finally, GroceryAI provides a highly structured approach to grocery management and pantry organization. Its AI helps users track pantry inventory, manage shopping lists, and organize ingredients according to store layout or meal plans. Although it does not provide direct grocery delivery, GroceryAI works effectively with services like Instacart or Amazon Fresh, allowing users to convert organized shopping lists into actionable orders. Its focus on efficiency, automation, and user-friendly design makes it ideal for Los Angeles households seeking a seamless combination of planning, organization, and convenience. By integrating structured grocery management with meal planning and inventory tracking, GroceryAI serves as a reliable endpoint tool that complements creative, health-focused, or waste-reducing AI solutions, ensuring a comprehensive and connected approach to kitchen management. Thanks for watching Bite-Sized Future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite of the future. Stay curious, stay ahead, and we'll see you in the next episode.